Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute alpaca. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page and we're going to draw the shape of the alpaca's head first. And they're really fuzzy and furry, so it's a lot of bubbly lines like this all the way around, one by one, and we want to kind of keep an oval or curved shape as we go, right? The overall shape of the head is kind of curved, and then we'll stop right about there. And let's go back to where we started, and we're going to do the other side of the head, and it's just more of these curved, puffy lines like this, all the way around to make the shape of the head. And we'll stop right about there. And let's do some ears, and they're just right about here. We're going to do just curved lines that go up and around and then back down, and we'll do the same on the other side. Starting on this one here, we'll go here, up and back down around. And let's do some inner ear lines, and there's one here like that, and then one up like that. Okay, now we'll draw the face right here, and we'll start by doing an eye here, and it's just a circle around like this, and then another circle on this side right about here. And let's do a highlight inside, so a smaller circle inside. Same on this side, smaller circle like that. And let's color that in black. Both sides. Okay, now let's do some front hair, so some bangs, and this is just some loopy lines like this, 2, and just 3 of them like that. And now in between the 2 eyes, we'll do the nose, and this is kind of like a triangle, so it goes down like this and then down, and we'll color it in black like that. And we'll do the muzzle now, and those are just curved lines like that, and one like that. Okay, let's do the body now. So starting over here, we're going to do bubbly lines all the way down, but they'll kind of curve here and stop right around here. So there's a bunch. And we'll stop right about there. And now let's do the front legs. So starting right about here on this bubbly line, we're going to do a curved line down like that, and then a furry line, and then a line like that, and we'll stop right about there. And now right here, do a curved line, and then 2 bubbly lines, actually 3, back up like that. And now we'll do the hooves, and these are kind of like curved boxy shapes, almost like square shapes, down like that, and then one down like that. Okay, now let's do the belly, and it's just 2 curved lines, 1, 2 like that. Now we'll do the back legs. This. It's just a lot of curved lines because it's all furry and fuzzy and puffy. And this one's kind of a longer one for the hind leg here, up, and we'll stop right there. And let's finish off these legs. This back leg here, it's just 2 curved lines, and then the hooves, like that. Okay, now let's start back up here, and we'll do the back, across, and then down, but they're all puffy lines. So here, one, puffy, puffy, puffy. And kind of a tail there like that. Wow! I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make mine kind of a yellowy, light yellow, cream color. Almost a little beige, but it's kind of a cream color. I'd say more of a light yellow. But you can make yours any color you want. And let's do a darker color for the ears. And let's do an even darker color for the hooves. And maybe we make the highlights in the eyes kind of like a blue, aqua blue, just to make it extra cute. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.